Sometimes all you need is fresh air. Allowing plenty of clean, fresh air at workplace provides a boost to your health. At Waves Aircon, we believe that clean and optimized air supply is the key to healthy living and productive working environment. Founded in 1997 with a mission where everyone can breathe fresh and clean air. Based at the industrial hub of Rajasthan, India, Waves Aircon Ltd is spread over a sprawling 350,000 square feet area and equipped with state-of-the-art manufacturing infrastructure and a highly skilled and efficient workforce, working steadily to provide all type of air management system solutions differentiated through innovation and service, an ethos that has a great deal of synergy with our vision. We have an impeccable record of working with clients in both the public and private sector. Executed more than 10,000 projects in India and abroad. Our installations include metro stations, malls, hotels, hospitals, airports, heritage sites like Statue of Unity, power plants, stadiums, IT parks, manufacturing plants, and many more. We are passionate about what we do, and we work tirelessly to ensure complete customer satisfaction by manufacturing specifically designed products to meet our customers' precise requirement and providing excellent after-sales service. Waves Aircon Private Limited today is a leading manufacturer in HVAC and stands tall with other global manufacturers. With our high-quality standards and reliable products, we are considered as a highly valued brand. We are miles ahead of any competition and an undisputed market leader in the designing and manufacturing of innovative, high-efficiency cooling solutions. The commitment to quality is complemented by ISO 9001-2015 certification and the prestigious AHRI certificate for achieving a 100% success rate in forced circulation air cooling and air heating coils. We are first Indian company for Eurovent certification for AHRI. We maintain the highest standard possible in the manufacturing process as per international norms and totally committed to provide an unrivaled depth of range and expertise in all aspects of the design, manufacture, testing, installation, service and maintenance of our air handling equipment. Our extensive process-based work using quality material and state-of-the-art machines gives quality products to our customers and peace of mind for a long-lasting, reliable product. Our HVAC manufacturing unit includes CNC turret punch machine, fin press, mechanical expander, pressure testing, puff injection to reduce noise and thermal insulation, robotic welding, Waves ductworks are manufactured to SMACNA and other relevant standards and ensure that each piece of duct is thoroughly checked at every stage of production for its quality. Our dedicated team of sales engineers, designers, project managers and service engineers are committed for exceptional service mindset and believe in service before self to give all our customers a unique experience. Breathe out the past and breathe into the future with Waves Aircon.